Wow. Why? Yeah. Whitney. Oh man. Welcome to another night of South Coast Podcast Raw. Right? Wednesday, of course. The settings up on the Y. Always ready. You know, like Freddy. We're here again. We have a couple guests for tonight. But before we go through the guests, I'm your boy, Franca Tree Magdaleno. We're live on set. You know, not ready yet.
Yeah, we're ready up.
Not ready yet.
No germs. Welcome to another edition, another episode of South Coast Podcast Raw. We want to welcome everybody to the set. Welcome the South Coast family. I don't know how the thing set. Everything plug in. We're live on Daifa Radio 91.7, Daifa TV, hot off the press. We're also live on Wave TV. So make sure to plug in on the thing. You know the thing set. Make sure to share the live. Subscribe to the thing. Cause I don't know. Yes, man. Live on YouTube. So check out the thing. Where were they actually?
Hi. I want to continue before we continue. I want to big up the sponsor, the people make it possible. Big up Nadia Cultural Shed for the Mother's Day Cycling Classic coming up this Sunday.
Yeah.
Big up Jaluna Bitters, Gary for Irie, DJ Allo Daifa Radio and TV, Wave TV, Conflict, Kush International, Baba and Hot Off the Press.
Oh, you can't
Big up
forget my boy
Miss
DJ Allo.
DJ Allo, I don't mention Allo.
Alright, good.
And big up Miss Ella, Canarchy, Jude
Found-
Belize
Foundation.
They don't say it. And I want to say, Feliz de la Años de la Madre. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Man, how you say that now?
What?
How you say
What
that?
do you mean? I say? I don't say it if you don't catch it. You know? Happy Mother's Day to all the
Yeah,
mothers.
really.
What's
And
up?
you also this week also a treat is Nurse Week,
Oh yeah, boy.
right?
big up
Nurse
all
Week. So make we big up all of the
Bless up
nurse
the
there,
nurse.
right? We have a special nurse now the Southern Regional there, Miss Julie Simpson.
Yeah, boy.
Jules,
Jules.
big up yourself all the time, Jules. You don't know, keep everybody smiling and high energy in the hospital every day. So
Don't worry about the fight down, Jules.
yeah, man, big up yourself, Jules,
Bless
all the
up
time.
yourself.
We have a gift for you next week, Jules. We have a gift for you
gotta
next
give
week.
you. We gotta give you.
Yes, man.
So and with that, big up the people from the diaspora.
Yeah, man.
Big up the people in Atlanta. Big up the people in New York, Chicago, LA. My whole family and friends that side there,
Yeah.
right? Big up on yourself.
Big up Las Vegas.
You don't know always lock in.
yes,
Big up the
man.
crew. And we can't forget the people in up north. Corozal,
Zal, Orange Walk,
City,
Belmopan.
Belmopan, Cayo, San Pedro, Kikaka, everybody.
Yeah, boy, big up with people then na PG,
Here at PG.
right?
And next week, we are on the learning channel out of Belmopan. So we are literally they hit the whole country,
Yes, I.
right? We are literally they hit the whole country.
So right now the satellite then
They plug in.
connect up.
The satellite then they plug in, right? And we don't have a fiber wire down here already don't run. So they left to make the people left a central cable come and plug in where everything's set, man. So we are there. You know, we don't have to worry about it on the phone. You just click your TV
Yeah.
and switch your channel
Yes.
and a day with it.
Yes. And make sure or we don't know that we got with merch, right?
Huh?
We got with No Germs merch.
Yeah.
So make sure on the link with.
Link with the
Yes, man, make on get on the thing there nice and dandy. Yeah, 100% cotton.
But
Huh?
before we continue, we got a couple guests passing through tonight. And we guess I think one of our guests done there, either a real militant. You know, you give him your time and he was here on time.
Okay.
So we
So
are bringing on the first guest. Yeah, man, a lot of things. I'll make him tell you and you have to prepare for him, right?
yeah.
So Mr. Kai, I want you to get ready. Come on, pass it. I will let you on the man first. Oh, Brother Lowry.
All right then, make Baller come.
Brother Lowry come
All
first.
right, you deal with Baller and then I'll deal with Mr. Kai.
All right then, good.
All right? All right, then come through, Brother Lowry.
Yeah. So we got Brother Lowry. Bye, I have to behind the camera for me. Yeah. So of course, I saw the thing set, the thing raw, right? I want to say good night and welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw. You introduce yourself, 'cause I know you, but I want you to introduce yourself, all right? And welcome to the set.
Well, thanks for having me tonight. And well, everybody know me as Coach
Yeah.
Stephen Lowry, and my passion is youth football. I always want to say the youth, they play football and enjoy themselves. It don't matter which team the youth want to play upon, providing that they have a safe space to play football. I come here tonight to greet the Mother's Day.
All right.
Tell them like Happy Mother's Day, and I want to know that Umarago, Dangra Girls and Boys Club, will have a football festival at the back bridge, the open field,
This one.
and this Sunday, 10th of May. And we invite the mothers, not only the children we play in the clubs there, but mothers to come out. We got 100 plates of food where we are distribute to the mothers. And the food that will supply last.
All right then.
We will also have snacks, water, juice, beverages for the children there. Everything out there will be for free.
Free.
Yeah, we don't charge nothing.
So I don't have to eat before I go there.
You could go there and eat. You don't have father, but you could go there and eat
Come on.
Mother's Day food.
Yes. But I going out there prepare for help and then I not eat my home.
Yeah, well, we are provide food for you. What you worry about?
All right. Only that time
And I just
Only that time
happy for me for South Coast. I always watch the program, and
Why? See?
you know that were privileged for the up here for the side big man like a tree and
No, man.
and Bantan and
Bantan
and
are the big
Jalou
man.
and you know.
That are the smallest man, yeah.
And that the program, and then we have youth football. We got U13. We got 3 games where we are play. We got U13 Daifa, we play Montes, Umarago, we challenge Hopkins, and HD, we challenge Silgrass.
Yeah.
The U13 Silgrass, that be the champion.
All right.
So we're just going back over that same thing there for get the hype, and after that we're going into the U15 and the U17. So football we play for the youth there. That will be under Football Federation of Belize FFB, SCFA Stanquick Football Association, along with Dangra Girls and Boys Club. So we collaborate together, work together for see the youth they enjoy themselves and play football.
All right then.
And then we will climax Mother's Day with veteran football.
All right then.
So we don't have 2 teams already. Jalou responsible for the south side team,
The games are play right there, right?
right there.
All the games.
Everything will happen right there.
All right.
Yeah, be 7 aside, 7 out and 1 goalkeeper.
All right.
Umarago provide the bibs to the teams there we want to play, especially the seniors.
All right.
So we are going to set a bibs to the south side team, and we are going to set a bibs to the north side team.
All right
So
then.
players, you're a veteran, you want to play ball, check with Jalou for the south side, and you check with me for the north side. And we are rumble. Where you depend?
Alright then.
Where you depend?
But so over 45 could play.
Over 40, we say 40.
Well, I could play, man. Once I 40, I could play.
Where you depend?
I jumped that long time, so
Where
I come
you
out.
depend? You
I
don't
come
send me
out,
up.
I dey play. Southside.
Well, make a know.
I dey
So I
play
can strike you off of my
with
list.
Southside. I don't
Bantan,
find the
where you
South.
depend?
I don't find the South. The dirty South.
Bantan, where you depend?
South Coast podcast, rah. We don't find the South.
Ah, well. me and Diaper here.
We don't find the North. We are
represent the North.
We are war with
I want to
Sunday.
know we got what do with you too.
Sunday. Right now with our friends Sunday. No talk to me. I didn't want the food again. I don't want the food again.
We got to go and keep an eye about nothing. They'll need that for your side.
But Mr. Brother Laura, I want to say, you know, that was a good initiative boy to do. And like, from what age you recruit the youths there? The toddlers, the young ones, from what age?
In my youth football academy, you know, bro, I recruit me for in the womb, you know.
Huh?
Yeah.
We there?
Yeah, we in the womb.
Wow.
When the lady pregnant, I look for her and tell her here where to go. And when
That
the
was
baby
boy?
born, you bring her over.
If they were boy.
Boy or girl?
Huh?
Because we are girls and
Oh,
boys.
girls
We
and
don't
boys,
discriminate.
Yeah, boys and girls.
I recruit
Alright.
them for the womb, brother. And after that, I start to train the child.
Alright then. Man, I mean, I go wrong, I see, you know, and I love it. I see a lot of my family they play. Back as in my time, they never got that.
And at 26 years, bro.
So and again, I have to say kudos and salute to you for hold the fort because you know easy to deal with kids, especially when there was so much of them. And the patience and the grasp where you got, I have to salute you, right? And continue the good job what you do.
But once you love something, no?
That passion.
Yeah, the passion there, then you're hanging on in there through thick and thin because all kind of bump come for the road, but I know about the nice.
Climb over and climb over.
Easy.
Then. Yeah,
No,
so,
I come here for climax as our close off.
yeah.
I call a few the right?
For you, yeah. I get you. I don't want to blame South Coast for make you go in late.
Why you feel watch you right now?
That time I don't want to blame me, you know, for when you reach late. I don't mean.
So with the climax, this is just with the feel out yourself.
Yeah.
So when Father's Day come now,
Now
we
bigger.
are kicking in a full swing operation.
Now herb it.
Yes, and then after Father's Day, we will get we over 45 veteran football team together.
Yeah.
This is the main reason why we do this thing now. Because we want to get over 40 veteran team together.
Yeah. I don't know if ballet beside you will play. And I don't know if ballet play football.
Yeah, man, I striker.
Striker.
Well,
Right. Anyway, I don't answer you.
look here.
After talking about football, right? No, just to make we stick up in. We also know, just to mention that the Stan Creek Football Association under 15 and under 17 tournament they start tomorrow also at the Carano Stadium. So the first game is gonna be an under 15 game,
See ya?
which is
See ya?
right? Game one at 5 o'clock. Why?
Yeah.
Omalago versus Montes.
Alright, daddy line up with the man.
Yes,
Right?
yeah.
So now and then they will have another under 15 game at 6:10, which is going to be the Hummingbird Hustlers versus
Silvergrass.
Silvergrass FC. At 7:30 we have game 3, which is going to be an under 15 game.
No,
under
U17.
Under 17, which is going to be Silvergrass FC versus Hummingbird Distributors Hustlers. And then
Friday.
Friday, the 8th at 6 p.m. we have a game Daifa versus
Top
Top
Shatters.
Shatters FC. Why, so this opening season look like nice.
Well, we may just talk about that earlier, but you come with the full schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You don't know we work on
Yeah.
that, we work on that serious information.
Alright, and also I want to joke, Hilberto Bermudez, the council and the man said he hope to come in one day for South Coast to discuss summer camp, South Side summer camp, yeah, South Side
again.
South Side back to school and South Side basketball marathon. Right? But big up everybody. I might just run joke about South and that, but this is our free community there, free town. We know into no North and South. When it comes to sports, yes.
Yeah, right?
But other than that, we are love.
We community minded, man. We are there for the community. You know see how you lock me? Two south side, you got the north side, man, right in the middle.
But
and then we want to say congratulations to
he just moved so.
You know, like how
Right.
like how we dey on football.
And they got for go
Like
back
how we dey on
Robo
football.
Street
Like how we dey on football, we want big up say congratulations
to
the
Conquerors.
For
You
the,
know,
yeah, for the
we
championship.
go to Conquerors. We don't want nobody catch F,
Right?
right? But after this set, I will put on my Conquerors shirt. I think I bring 3 shirts for tonight. You know, it just change up and the last set I will wear my championship shirt. You check?
Yeah.
I could boast me, I could talk, you know.
Yeah.
Because I am a champion. Why well? I don't know. I don't know who he.
I want to interject one more thing to like how with the bill for football. Normally every summer, HD hustlers and an LT have summer camp for the kids. They also donate free uniform, free everything when they summer camp are free.
Yeah.
So he got uniform and everything.
Paul Maximus say you are from South Side. Right, brother Paul, watch that LA. Big up yourself, Paul. Big up yourself, Paul.
This man, they give up a flag, you know. This man, they give up a flag. This man, give up a flag.
And football in a month, the 31st of this year, kick off Mayor's Cup. Mayor's Cup kick off 31st of this month. So,
we may talk about Nelson and for his summer camp.
Yeah.
Normally after Nelson summer camp climax, then we go into for youth program.
All right then.
The youth program consists of U9 and U11.
Okay.
So we always run the thing simultaneously. So after the kids they learn, they pass and the different thing through HD Hustlers summer camp, then we just put them together and we use them to make them demonstrate the skills that they learn.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, sir. Now, positive
So we work together. We don't separate ourselves when it comes to football.
Now, positive thing.
Well-
Now, positive thing for use the sports. You know, for get the kids there. You know, discipline and for look forward to greatness. You know, because not time for make we start and look on it on the levels check coach.
Yeah.
Well, Brother Lord, I want to repeat the games when it happen Sunday. You give a final chat and you are come back past South Coast. This is just for football. I don't touch my year lifestyle yet. So this is just football.
Yeah,
So
the football will talk.
Yeah.
the football. So give me a schedule.
Free ice out there Sunday too.
Yeah, free ice,
You are
free
serving.
Bengue. No, free ice, Bengue, everything. Vicks. All
And a Luna Ranks personal rub down man.
Healer.
Because he a catch cramp.
Where you are? And who you are sprinkle
look
thing
at-
on?
Bigs.
Bigs, you are sprinkle.
Look at the youngest MC out there packing. We have to get me out there for be with Masua man.
Bye.
Because we need out there Sunday.
Boy, I don't know if that's possible, you know.
Yeah, the
I think that's
commentate?
possible. Yes,
Well,
the game of the life, the game of the life.
we have to use that for a both thing. Yeah, the commentate and when a trigger a Lee Robin, you need a Lee Robin pack here there.
Anyway, brother Lord, like I say, give me the games that I play and your final chat.
Well, we don't say it already, our free football festival, they mostly with the focus span that the mothers. To give back to the mothers because for we greatest assets that the mothers' children.
Yes, sir.
So then if we accept the children they were the parents they give to we. So we want to give back to the parents they for sure them that hey, we the fathers, we got love too. When Mother's Day come, everybody look for the mothers and want to cherish the mothers there. So we have that love there and we want to do the same thing. So we will give a 100 plate of food
for Africa love now for love pick me.
No
So,
penny.
so we were distribute the 100 plate of food till supply last. After the food, we were got snacks, we were got juice. Well, we got something reserved for when they over 40 done, but we are reached there.
All right.
The first game will be between Daifa and Montis,
Yes.
a U13. Then the next U13 match will be between Omadago and Hopkins. Then the final U13 match will be between HD and Silgrass.
Yeah.
Then we will climax with the veterans.
Hey.
Alright.
For
So we
what
were got-
action.
So we will got Southside versus Northside. But I can't split myself in two, so I have to give Southside to Jalu.
Yeah.
Then I take Northside.
Why that now? Bad rhyme. Me can't fit myself in that too. So me give half to Jalu.
So
Boy.
look here. Here where they go on. Wait, I wait till then.
Yeah.
Right now, the alone talking.
Talking is cheap.
When they reach by the football field, and then we will talk. Look at right now, we are right, you know.
We go talk.
But Sunday?
Are who
Sun-
ready for that sun?
All right, good.
Are who ready for that
So we
sun?
get this
Sunday or next week Sunday?
Sunday
This
right here.
Sunday, man.
Sunday right
Yeah,
here. This
Sunday right here,
right
2
people.
o'clock.
Yes.
We got regime sound system we are out there
Boy, things are the bang up, man.
for push. We got
Nice.
with PA system.
Things are
We got with bathroom set. We got everything in
Young
a place.
SMC one, they want
Yeah, we
the
got everything in
broadcast.
a place to make we push this thing to make the mothers they enjoy themselves.
All right. Well, brother Law, I want to say respect, man.
Yes, man.
Good night and go home to wifey, because you know your time passed.
Pass.
Your time has passed,
Why,
elapsed.
what, 9 o'clock?
Yes, your time has elapsed.
Huh?
You know, so I want to say good night and hey.
Good
we are
night,
catch
bro.
up- We are catch up
Good
Sunday.
night.
Yeah.
But remember, guys, after the veteran, we were sit down under the shed. We were
Until
sit down, we
Father's
were
Day.
plan, and we were plan with Father's Day,
Yeah.
and we are move on for them.
Correct.
This will be a collective thing between we, and not only fathers, we will invite the woman there too.
Because I
Make
need
them
them
cook.
to cook.
Yeah, man.
Quick
And we,
break.
and we need the woman there for child we on.
Yeah.
With the hand.
All right, so we are take a quick break and we have a second guest. South Coast Podcast Raw.
Thanks and
on a
good night.
Wednesday. Hold on, Mr. Lowe.
Guys, thanks again, man.
Yes, sir.
Good night. Link up. I like how the squeeze me between, right?
Once again, welcome back, and we're up on a rapid road right now. We can't even fear for one because we got our guest there, right? And I think we have our next guest text me and say they find way. So South Coast Podcast Raw, 26th edition, 16 for this year. All right,
26 with it.
26 for there, 16 for this year.
Why 26, 16?
They down the number for Sunday.
16, 26.
Yeah. But on set, we have one Riga finest, right? One of Riga finest on set, right? I can't introduce the man because I don't know her.
Yeah.
I want to make he
Introduce
introduce
yourself.
himself.
'Cause this man
Because man I go call her names and then he don't hear so.
this man a jack a lot of trade.
Straight and master of none. So I want to say, my brother, good night and welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw.
Yeah, good night, brothers.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night, Griga. Well, I am the Honorable Sebot Kayatano, Minister of Reasoning and Understanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Yeah,
Good.
Yeah, I mean that.
Why this man a minister? This man a minister, so you know a religious minister or?
No, I have a parliamentary minister in my
Alright.
own government.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? This
Yeah,
man,
yeah.
you know,
Yes, man.
highly, he above National Assembly.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. I figure it out.
Correct.
All
Yeah.
right.
So,
Good.
Mr. Kai, tonight we have you on set, basically mainly to discuss about the ex-servicemen league
Oh, okay.
and apart with you know we have Baba with us pass and you know you as a manager for Ugo Urban, you know I know the pain still there. So I give all the transition of what's happening, you know, if booking still there and if you know. So
Yeah.
we are elaborate on that here in the second half, but we are touch about the ex-servicemen leagues because I think that our people here don't know that Dangriga have a branch now. So I want to touch in light on that for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Dangriga has always had a branch
Okay.
where former Mayor Simeon Morales was a part of it. Miss Mayor Viscacho, who lately died, she was one of the head of it. Right now, it's been led by Sylvia Morales Francis. She's late Simeon Morales' sister, and I am the vice chair.
All right.
Miss who? Miss Morales?
Yeah, Sylvia Morales. They call her Miss Ellie. She's right over there by close to Havana Bridge, close to Havana Creek, by the lane before Savannah.
Okay.
So what we do, what was the ex-services league was created to like take care of the people who began World War II, the last crowd World War II.
Ex-vex.
Yes. We still have a few around. I was last Memorial Day, I was hanging out with 101-year-old.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so what we seek to do here in Dangriga is create that space where
Was that here in Belize?
it was in Belize City. Yeah. The former GG was there. Well, the former GG has been a fixture every year. Even when I was serving, he used to give a joke or two. Well, he's a bit up there in age now, so you know they give her like Calvillion.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we seek to do is to create that space where people who used to work in the military. First, it started as the Belize Ex-Servicemen League, but now it has evolved to the Belize Ex-Services League. So it's anybody who has served, and we even have people who are from the Red Cross.
Teachers.
You've got teachers. You have nurses.
Yeah.
It's far better, it's more wide-ranging and wide-reaching. So that space is there, and you could talk, you could recreate as people who used to do one thing. Politicians recreate together. Other people, you have people from the clergy, you have business people who recreate together. Sports people always they hang out together. So we have that space for people who have served this country. And at this stage, what we're doing right now is mostly fundraising because we want to build our building, which will also serve as certain assets to the community. Sometimes you might have flooding, you might have storms.
That could be used as a
Yes,
shelter.
yes, we could still help.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still able-bodied. Then this life is like a facet. So someone set of water, they come out of the pipe, and you set of water, they come in. And so that's the way how we want to funnel it.
Well, I'm glad to hear that now about serving in the police or the DF department that they evolve everybody
Everybody.
who
Yeah.
Who
who
are
over
essential
30,
worker.
25 or 30 years, whatever.
As a matter of fact, your
service.
previous guest, Mr. Lowry,
Mr. Lowry,
is an active member with us right now.
okay, he served.
Yeah, that's right. We have former police officers, and there's no rank structure
Once you
within.
serve,
Once you serve, you're welcome.
and you don't have to prove that you serve.
You have to prove that you serve.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a process
We get
for
in.
getting in. Yeah.
Yeah, what reason he asked that question? Can he look for getting without serving?
No, I
I
was.
don't. I don't think a tree will be that kind of guy who will try
No, I know,
Weasley
I know.
with you like
No,
that.
I know.
But you know the fella.
No, but because I don't know how often on the ground meet, but I was at one on the meet,
Yeah.
the one by sea, man.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying, man.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
that fun for listen to a lot of jokes and story about work,
Yeah.
So I had the privilege firsthand for me today and see it and the fun. That even more left to go home or eat.
Yeah. And
Everything
then
today
sometimes you have operational stuff where you and former colleagues who could discuss where you
about
can't really discuss wrong anybody else.
yeah.
And so it's a form of therapy because sometimes you need, even before you leave, you retire,
Yeah.
they try and make sure that you're sound to go out into society
mentally.
because
mentally.
you're not upon that operational pace again. And sometimes your society don't have the structures to deal with the stuff where you don't gone through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially boy when it comes to military and police, man. Well, I'm not gonna put it and blame everybody. And the nurses they go through their own
They want,
Yep.
they want, they
you know,
want
the
psychological
teachers
stress.
they go through their own thing. Everybody man,
Yeah.
Yes.
everybody.
And I think we need institutions for things for assist and help. The
Recreational place, man.
everything.
Sometimes the brain just need the activeness. You need people for the interact with, and that therapy within itself.
Yeah.
You work.
Once you got somebody to talk to, man.
Yep. And you'll find that the people who they're in a silos, they're just quiet with their own thoughts and everything.
Yeah.
You'll find that then they are the ones who you lose mentally quicker. So yeah.
So it's good to have a discussion or have
Yeah.
somebody
Have a
to
talk.
talk.
You just need that space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And free the mind.
That's right.
Yeah.
Or occupy the mind, you know what?
Occupy the mind. You need to occupy the
With the
mind.
correct way.
Yeah, the right way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
You have to occupy the mind. You always occupy the mind.
So you still ask members to join. So like the villages, do they have ex-service office in there or they can join here?
We are welcoming them to join Dangriga, the Dangriga branch. We have an outreach meeting scheduled for the 17th at 10 a.m. in Hopkins at Lagale. Well, Newtown Bar, I call it Lagale. And so we are branching into Hopkins, and then we'll continue push further and further. And once we get a good footing, they get a good footing, you start to create branches on your own, and you start and you continue create this space for others. Yeah.
But I mean, I never know that was here before. I didn't know. I thought that seeing you guys at that meeting was the first time we're gonna try bring it back together. But that's something good.
Yeah.
Yeah, well the pandemic may put a lot of things on pause, and just before the pandemic, then they bring it back to full effect, and then the pandemic crippled it.
Post pandemic.
And so now with the post-pandemic and so with the revitalize. Yeah. So that's where we are.
Man, I mean, folks were put in their work, not stay home and yeah, watch the corners, man. Join the league. Free up the mind.
Yeah, this are vital information where the
free up the mind.
community really need though.
Yeah, well, if they want to get to you could call me at 615-5950. Just call me. We link with Miss Ellie. We set up and we
Register.
That's right.
And you have a fee, membership fee.
We have a membership fee and we have dues. Well, it's a dues that we pay $5 a month. That's all we pay. So we try fundraise to do the stuff that we want to do.
Yeah.
Continue that the great initiative again. To make people who put in honestly, sometimes you reach that stage and that age there, and your own family members sometimes walk away from you, right? So it's just right that we have this league where a new family where I take you over.
Yep, and we more operate, a family as a family.
Family
So when we lose one, well, you lose one that you you're very hurt.
Yeah.
But you take this journey together, you take this walk of life together.
All right, that part, the ex-servicemen league.
Yeah, man.
I think we touch everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we touch basically,
Yeah.
All right, so
we need to know.
Remember, if you want to get in touch, you call 615-5950.
Correct.
Right? And see about to answer you and run you through the proper channels and you'll be a part of the family.
Yes.
That's it. No, we continue and we're not stop, we are flow. We're going into the overall band section now. I know you are manager of the overall band.
Yeah.
And we lose one of the brain of the band.
Nucleus.
The brain, the Alan Baba man. But I know that nothing went papas. So I want you to share that. I mean, I know the breakdown still there. The hole in the heart will never heal that easy. Our deep wound. Our big dagger.
Well, Baba's last that one void where it make you understand where the hurt. I define hurt as the thing we get in at the space where a person left. There is nobody, nothing we want to replace Baba. We have been friends from young and with our cousins.
Yeah.
So this journey called life, I have known him right through my every year that I know myself. Baba a part of that life. So when I got join BDF, he had already taught for a couple of years and then they got full scale into music. Okay. So while he was doing his tours and all that, they go to Europe, all over Europe, all over the region here too. I would only see him on his way in or on his way out, but we never lost connections. Our kids call each other cousins and they call, like his kids call me uncle, my kids call him uncle. So we have always been close. So I think it was before Aliyah ban. I tell her you have a second child. Why you not go back but teach? So you could secure yourself. Because at that time music may take one steep decline. And I would blame some of their own artists for that too. Man start to play for pittance when the guys used to make like $3,000 a night right here at Eden Rose, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. Um,
It's the boy.
so
Yeah, history, yes.
I told Baba, you need to go back in the classroom. I don't finish my first 12 years in a BDF and that gone fast.
Hmm.
I tell him I feel like I could do a recruit training right now. I still good. He said, at 12 years already? I said, yeah. And that's how he ended up going back in the classroom. Because he's a scientist.
Yeah.
So I tell her you must could write music and teach where you want. You have the gift for teach. You got good pedagogical skills. You're a second generation teacher. I really write at Telegram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, man, those teach.
Yeah.
His
And his
father
father was a senator.
see? His
Yeah.
father's teach right there.
That's right. So when he got back and they continued to do the music, then he left the stage.
Completely.
Yeah. He would only take up like special occasion gigs and things like that. And so as it was coming closer to his retirement, I had retired. I asked how well he'd play music for me. And I'm like, man, you have all this now. Always me again. I don't pressure him for God teach. And I'm like, you have all this music, you still create music. So let's reconstitute the band. He says, say, but musicians are not like what you think, you know.
Nah, he, man.
Um,
Nah, he.
and I learned that the hard way. You
Real?
meet some
Hard-headed musician.
yeah. So I tell them, you know, have a guy trained for deal with 2,000 people.
Nah,
7 or no got they get free labor. So this supposed to easy. Boy was I wrong.
Yeah, 2000 compared to 7.
Yeah, that 2,000 might be easier than that 7.
7
Yeah.
yes.
So we continued through this journey. And so he agreed, he tell me under one condition, if you are manage it.
All right.
That's the only way he going back on the stage.
So you had to come in.
Yeah. And hence we began this journey where I became the manager overall.
Still is.
Yeah. And so we moved up. I tell you this one be a gentle journey.
Gradually.
Slow, gentle, climbing gradually. And we started off playing for $350. I tell you we're going to the bottom of the barrel.
Hmm?
And Baba was willing, he said, whatever you decide, we're going with that. I tell her, you just continue, make the music, sing the music, and we will move. We go from 350, we move up to 650, and we work our way up until we're there at $2,000 and $3,000 mark. This year is the 10th year since that journey started.
Yeah.
That was in 2016.
Mm.
Yeah, so Baba passing came at the time when we were preparing to start to take gigs in the US when he would have retired and all that. We don't want to believe what the Baba passion. You could try guess what the Baba passion.
I won't get Baba.
Everybody would have think that writing music.
Sing.
Baba passion the flying.
Yeah.
Yes. So anytime I would go to the States, if I end up at his brother place, we have to bring some kind of CD or a flight simulator. So part of his trip for this year would have been for him to go to flight school since his brother was already had already done some flight training and was flying for a while. So he was gonna go to fly as part of his treat. So the man may just have a passport about 2 weeks before he fell ill. Yeah. But for now we have a part of this Mahabob show. The Mahabob tribute.
Tribute, yeah.
Yeah, we will be a part of that. And we have another gig in June, so we'll be taking in bookings again. Yeah, the face of the band will be a little bit different. So that way right now we restructure the band.
Have to go through that again.
Yeah.
I know how you feel, especially your icon like Baba.
Yeah.
Big
Well,
boss.
I have never been to a funeral where part of the people's speech that will read out the person's songs. Then we got two speech there with a Baba song. And I don't know if everybody may catch it. The one where Rodel Castillo did, that was by the people for the people, the reggae song with Baba record. The next one was Bobby. Bobby's speech was the very same song that we took to the song competition 2 years ago. That is We Need Love.
Yeah.
So I have never seen anything like that. Baba tribute, a funeral, and that procession afterwards, a testament to who he is and the lives where he touched. He had to be mourned 4 ways, right? You have his direct family, we had to mourn him, his family and friends. You have Henry and his brother education group.
Yeah.
You have the band,
Yeah,
and then you have the larger Dangriga community.
yeah.
So everybody had to mourn in their own way, and that's why that took all the planning and logistics to do it that way.
Kudos to him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I mean, a lot of work.
They have people who were not here, but the phalanges were all over this thing, right? You got a man like Kevin Martinez.
The class was here.
Yes. Bobby man, having Bobby in your corner, in these things.
We know what she is, man. We'll be like one of the best.
Yeah, she's a production specialist.
Yeah. We know what she's doing.
Yeah, so Bobby Bird Production,
Great.
that really were a real production company.
Rough.
You got this young lady, Janelle Carlis. She, they call her JLo, that Gloria Garcia, Gloria Sabal daughter. Yeah. Jata daughter.
Yeah, Jatada, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That young lady again, she the one of a kind logistician, and she does production too. So, and I would want to thank all those guys who flew in, man. Method, DJ Black. I just to go off of who I could remember right away. They have this guy, Robert Smith. He's a musician from Belize City. Ellsworth, who brought his trap set, Ellsworth Castillo. So just to play by the people, that trap set was just to play by the people for the people, you know. And LOL got take over, everybody work that trap set work no hell and night. Yeah, so sometimes a man's character really shows, and then the community. I love a grateful community.
Like Griga.
Definite. Dangriga came out for that man. And I'd also like to thank the leadership at Eddie J. Webster. We have a group when named 1066 Passe. Yeah, the original group. This guy Vic Castillo used to live at 1066, and that where we used to gather to hang out, and 1066 Bengoche. That where we used to gather and hang out and have a drinks. We have guys like Peter Carles, Study Lee here, Lyndon Radney from PG, Dallas, Martinez, Cecil Martinez. Yeah, Ignatius, Clement,
Clement.
Zoo, and much more guys. Um, so we maintain our relationship and friendship. So we not lose that. Yeah.
And and
Oh, and big up you too, Bantan.
no thanks, man.
You, Teacher Beast, Regard,
Yeah.
Kush.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah, 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 yeah. Baba, man, of integrity too.
Yeah.
And that now will really show out to me. And life, after life is supposed to be celebrated.
Yeah.
Afterlife is supposed to be celebrated. So
And I'd like
you
to
know what I'm saying?
also mention a special kudos to his daughter, Aliyah.
Yeah.
I call her that child, right? That my niece. But she stood with her father, and she was the one that was here. Alana never there, and Fulton the serving at the military. But Aliyah she was her dad's nurse,
Yeah.
and I will never stop sing her praises and giving her her flowers. And speaking about giving flowers, um, last year for the show that Reckless does, the Alejo Bene show, um, Reckless was like, I want to give Baba one award, and so, but he didn't want it mentioned along here that time. So while with the planet, I like Rick, give the older guys the award. Baba still have much more years ahead of him. Because I say, well, segundo. We supposed to do this music thing till he at least till he's 72 years old.
That way you got in mind.
Yeah, that's my plan.
But Jaja don't want that.
Yeah, so we had all the time in the world, right?
Like when somebody say one another Uber up there.
Yeah, but
the real band the gone.
yeah, the band don't gone. Yeah.
All them
Yeah.
gone.
So I tell Reckless, just relax, just deal with the older guys first.
I remember people, man.
And I glad Reckless didn't take my advice. He got his flowers, so maybe he did right by now. He don't write one song up there. Yeah.
Not already.
Yeah. Man, I know if you go through, like I said, you go through it, but just keep it up because Ugo Road and up today. Yeah. Ugo Road, so much yards, my brother.
Yeah, overall, a really set foundation. Foundation.
Well, Ugoro actually predates Baba because the D-line me from Ugoro.
Oh, yes. By me, you know.
Yes.
123rd, man up.
Yes. The D-line me from Ugoro. And
you know my black boy. That one next to you.
This is outside versus not outside again.
Not outside.
Straight south, I could tell you some song where I hear for D-line.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, beginning the way.
Give it tuba only.
You don't know what in this song. Then they rate this up by Hamaba.
Yeah.
Magami. As I hear them, they rehearse right there. Cool band.
Remember, Magami used to have big system.
But I tell you about D-line one cross and Magami. When you go in and feel when he rehearse every day. And then the whole thing set up.
Yeah. So Ugoro has been around.
Right.
And after Baba funeral, people were asking me,
why you not sing?
Nobody will ever ask me that. I mean,
but nobody.
At least nobody in their right mind will ask me why.
You could be an artist here, but I got that.
I think the man.
I got a faith in you.
The man dancer, man.
Wait, man. Make me say
dance to sing, brother.
You see how you know to yourself actually. That's why I wait. That's why I wait. I feel like Jesus Christ right now between two, I don't know what. Man, like this at the time now you correct the man and tell her,
I think
yeah,
this man a dancer, man.
yeah,
The father,
This
tell the
man
man that
dancer, man. This man
why.
not singer, man, not tree, man.
all right then, man.
Sometimes I envy music. The other day I dey hang out with Super G and I ask her, Super, how many songs you done write? And this is a question I asked Reckless some years ago.
You know,
Super said he made a count and he stopped at 700.
Hmm.
I tell her, God can't give me one. I said, man, this not fair. I tell her I don't feel like I have something against you, but
you're like,
yeah. I know got nothing against you.
After
I
hearing
tell
the
her
thing
just
that,
one.
one you can write.
So yeah, I that one skill where you just marvel at it. So like when the guys would be in the studio, this one that here and then you come down to this and then you and then I tell them, no look retarded to me, right? To the normal person, no look sane at all. But then I say, oh, sorry about that. Tell them, no, go ahead and do nothing.
yeah.
Yeah,
Them are in the music language that.
yeah. So
Yeah.
while I was at this inflection point, I said, do we continue the band? Will I be diminishing Baba value by continuing the band?
Well, I said, Donnie, can't answer the phone.
Down in the on the line.
Don't need the call.
By the way, we can take a after this.
I could take a-
We try take some live call after this, man. We could try
That's
work out
take
our
the
live
man
call
call.
after
Don't
this.
need give me a call back then.
Yeah,
I could take Donnie call. I got a call to get for LA in a few too.
Yeah.
Now date to call in.
All right.
for heating. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now we go take call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Sam.
Yeah, so so people start to come out where you are though, and I was like, make I think about which direction we're going, consult the guys, consult Baba family.
Yeah.
Because as like there is a school of thought that all right, when Bob Marley dead,
No,
the
no,
wheeler,
no,
hear about the wheelers again.
Yeah.
Lucky Dube dead, hear about the band again. Now, if we could continue this band in a way that they diminish Baba value, then fine. And since we found a way to do that, then we decided that we're going ahead and we will do whatever adjustments we need for doing it in the meantime.
Yeah.
So that they were there right now.
Well, I mean that really nice, and I think that's something our healthy undertaking. If we continue on with the band and the performance, I think the culture too. For the culture, I think the culture needed too.
Yeah, we want to feature this guy, Sailor more. A staple of Uguro is to sing. If you are singing in Garifuna, you are singing it correct.
Yeah.
Sometimes I want to catch a fit, especially when I go back and listen to the songs where they dance to. When it's not song correct, I try implore Uguro that way. Sing the song in a correct Garifuna. If we have to research if that's somebody else's song, we will research and find for sing it the correct way. But for now, we have Sailor, who will be taking on the lead vocalist portion of the band along with Mix.
Yeah.
We still want a couple of positions filled. I want a resident bassman. I would like to have a couple of resident keyboardists. So while we do that, we restructure the band and they build it back.
Yeah. That's so nice. That's so nice.
Yeah.
So for right now, you are to deal with the restructuring and still after it's on a plan, still do some recordings and.
Yeah. Again, the recordings part, we will see how they have a lot of things that you have to find out, like which direction the studio going next. Um, Baba has a son and a grandson who seem to love music, but they are not at the age yet to be at the helm of that. Music will continue to get created.
Yeah.
His oldest brother is here, so there are certain discussions that have to happen to see how the studio could proceed. But for now, the focus is on the
The
band
band, the
to keep,
restructuring.
yes, and to keep his legacy and music alive. Maybe register his music and get his music on different platforms, so that, because when I used to tell Alan about making money off of the marketing of music, he said his music that was a gift. He did not learn that, like, how to write song. Nobody teach him how to write song. Nobody taught him how to create music. So he saw that as a gift to the world. He said, it's for my children and my grandchildren and a gift to the world. That's what he kept saying. So that was not his priority at that time. That would have been following August of this year, when he retire, or whenever he go back to retirement leave. Yeah. So
Then I make it monetary.
that's right. So that would have been when you register and do that. So there was a whole set of plans going on, where we may have to manage his time and his creativity, because he may always want that quietness for create music, because for some reason creativity not like noise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it was a healthy discussion, healthy talk, a tree,
Yeah.
with the honorable
The honorable the minister.
minister,
Reasoning and
right?
understanding. That's right.
And I mean a nice reasoning and a nice
Understanding.
overstanding,
Overstanding. Yeah,
right?
this is the guy.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me.
Yes, ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you
Um,
on South Coast.
We touch two things for one night.
Yeah.
We not gonna you yet as the individual. We not touch you yet like when I'm 19. Lot of thing we not do yet,
Yeah.
well,
That's so
my
much.
life, our open book. There are no stories to tell.
I know, so that's so much you say we have to do in a segments because there's so much segment. We not touch you on the life when you go and join the force.
Yeah.
We want to share the story so the youth they could understand. So when you reach there.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
when
Yes,
we
man.
say,
Well, I would always share my
I know,
reason
man.
why I joined the BDF, because I always say I joined the BDF for all the wrong reasons. But when that day come,
we are talk about
Yeah.
When that day come.
yes, man.
All right, folks, I take a quick break. We got a call to get from Nadia.
Yeah.
Nadia supposed to call in, and then we are discuss about the race where happen this Sunday. So quick break, 2 minutes. 2 minutes commercial break. South Coast Podcast will be back. Youth. Commercial break.
All right.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah. All right, boy. I see some man. Listen, hold on. I see some man. They lose their job like in a minute and seconds.
I will lose the job, yeah, right?
Some man could lose their job
Some
because
man.
they got serious man we go wrong and none of worry about no big camera and small camera and yeah, right. But this is a South Coast podcast, Ra. We have guests, patapa guests. We even have guests from abroad
Yeah, live.
and on the line. I want to say good night to my brother, Nadir Samson from Gomagzer Church Street. So
Why?
so the man he don't like he say he not for Church Street, but I know going that the man house.
Now you have to go for church.
He rain there every day. He rain there every day. My brother, good night.
No one
Good night.
don't like that church street.
Good night, my brother.
Good night, my brother.
I want to welcome you.
Hey, yeah, but I found so why.
Man, a base like killer for so why.
Yeah,
All right.
we're not here. What a system.
Water system. Yeah, that by your house, it rain every day.
You don't say the system just it
Overflow.
drizzle, man.
Thunder and lightning pan church
Water
street
tower
every
with a
day.
leak.
All right, my brother, I want to say good night and welcome. You are there live Sunday, but welcome to South Coast Podcast, Ra, and I want to elaborate on it. I don't know that how much running, but this Sunday, it's all about the Mother's Day Cycling Classic.
Yes, my brother.
So,
Yeah, but first of all, I want to give Daifa much respect. First of all, especially to give the man Sabot a chance to say what you have to say, because a very intelligent man that we're gonna need a lot more man like Sabot. You know what I mean? Give it up to Bantan and yourself too to make this happen. So much respect and love, man. Without Daifa, a lot of our voice wasn't gonna get heard.
real.
Yeah,
Tell me about the race this Sunday now.
well, hey, believe it or not, this will be my fourth year having this race, man. And it was just something that, Galeno and myself one day said, well, hey, man, we want to create more racing at the town because, of course, we have some young cyclists, so we want to give them a playing room, make them get as much workout and practice as possible. So if we could create more races, then hey, it's better for the younger generation that is interested in the cycling business, besides the entertainment that it's going to bring to the town.
So, who all we have this Sunday coming into town?
Man, right now, I'm expecting a crew from G Flow. We have, several guys that registered already. So at this time, I can't elaborate too much on individuals, but we're expecting at least about anywhere from 70 to 80 riders this weekend, maybe up to 100.
All right.
Yeah, that sound like a nice race.
Remember now, this
Yeah,
race,
well, we keep pushing every year to make it better and better. We put a little more ante on the prizes and try to make it look a little bit more excited. So
well, I personally like the crew we get invited. Honestly, I like the crew we get invited. But remember, the name of the race says it all. That's about
yeah,
we
Mother's
invite
Day.
it's about the mothers. right? It's all
Yeah,
about the mothers.
Mother's Day.
It's a Mother's
Yeah.
Day.
And before I forget, I want to give much respect to my brother Mose, man, doing footwork too
Yeah.
and making this happen. You know,
Yeah, big up, brother.
there are several people. There are several people in the background, you know, that are doing some work. So it's not only a Nadia thing. You know, there's several people behind me trying to make this thing work for the mothers and and for the community.
Yeah.
Real.
What's the route for the race?
Why?
Well, the route, the elites for sure is going to Placentia Junction and back to the shed. We got weekend warriors. We have the juniors. The weekend warriors are, I believe, Group A and Group B. Also, probably going to be going to Placentia Junction. And with the speed the juniors are riding right now, it's up for discussion. But their road right now is to Maya Center and back. But these youngsters, we got to give them credit. They might make the race done quick. So it's something to discuss.
The last time for one of the races, they had actually changed the route.
Yes.
No, I to give you first-hand information that we still have like two parts of the road where when we done hot mix and it broke up and then they worked on it. I don't know where they hold back the people there, but it hot right now, and this at the time when they pour on the hot mix because the heat where they get, then they may adjust. I could tell you because I see they put on like from Maya Center onwards to Santa Cruz side, and it's nice, but you have two parts before you reach Silgrass where are pebbles. I know that pebbles and then
a dirt road then.
For that bike, that's so much flat you got if you choose to do it on that side.
Okay, well, unfortunately, I didn't have that.
I give you the first-hand information.
Yeah, go ahead and make a couple of phone calls tomorrow and see how we can end this. Either way, the race is going to happen, but
yeah, what a lot of them across there, man. What a lot of them across there down the coastal.
Why? No boy, that's 36.
Man,
that's far.
At this time, like I said, I don't want to elaborate too much on that because
if we fire up on them right now, I could fire up on them, maybe they say boy they ballet there and they had mix half of the road, cause they may don't do that and we don't pay with tax money and then they may not rip that up. And then we still not done yet.
We are paying more tax money.
We are paying more tax.
No man, Ministry of Infrastructure and Development. Ministry of Infrastructure and Development on have to do some more that road there before Sunday.
Before the
mothers. For the mothers, cycling, classic. What they go about that?
Fix
that thing there, man.
Road by.
They on the what list, man.
Yeah, we pay tax. That me done hot mix. Because
hey,
we can go stretch it, forget something in our pocket.
Ministry of Housing and Development and Infrastructure gonna try fix that road there before Sunday.
Yeah.
Because we got
with Mother's Day, you know. That was Mother's Day race.
Why they Malaya bad now? Why?
What this?
What this, man?
But I'd give you that for a time.
You know what? We're gonna get done before Sunday. The weekend. Yeah, before Sunday.
Maybe that
several things are possible.
Huh?
Yeah.
Spot that a minute now.
Google he fast.
Julius is spot that
Julius.
Yeah. But at this time, I don't think we want we might not want to point fingers right now. Make we just say, we can find a solution that us.
Yeah.
No man, make them go drop that mix there. The machine right there.
But now
the machine park right wrong the curve there before the grass there, man.
Race, we have activity before and after, right at Nadia's cultural shed Sunday.
Yes. Friday we have Wagirale drummers.
Friday
night. Yeah, so we're gonna be running until at least 1:30 in the morning. No, this is Friday night,
Yeah, Friday
the
night.
8th. And
Before the Sunday.
Then on Saturday we're gonna have one of the groups. We're hoping to get Miss Marsha and her group to do their performance on Saturday.
So
We're gonna
Friday
hang around until midnight because we want people to rest up for this race Sunday morning.
So Saturday until midnight. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
When
So
after the race, a session.
After the race, we're gonna try to have some live drumming. We're gonna feel our way through it because there's other activities that's gonna be going on, like the soccer thing and all that. We want to be considerate to everybody same way.
After the race, we're going straight to Mr. Laurie games, man. Soccer after that, man. Backbridge.
Some of the guys were considering maybe we can have a domino tournament for the guys that plays domino, so everybody can have a piece of the pie. But again, that might be a last minute thing. It's not completely X'd out. We'll see how that goes.
No, man, we don't want watch no man. They play no domino, man. For the ladies, for the mothers, there, man.
Domino contest.
That's straight rubber dub and straight rubber dub and loving for mothers, there, bro. Watch no man. They snap and bang.
Like we say, we try, we try cater for everybody, The man go. Some man go fishing rati.
The man they don't want ride bike, man. The man they don't want ride bike, man.
Some man go fishing rati and some no go.
Yeah, man. Make the girl, yeah, man. You know what I mean?
But they I know I have a shirt and a cap for giveaway.
Yes.
I have a shirt and a cap for giveaway for Sunday. So
yes.
And it will be you may send me the question. The first female winner of the race, right? The first race.
Yeah, the race last year. Who won?
Who come in first?
Who won the race?
Who won the race last year?
Female.
The female won last year. Okay. And you won yourself a cap and a t-shirt.
Yeah.
And you will get that Sunday. Because you
get that Sunday.
Size, so that when you reach Sunday at the shed, you'll get a package.
Okay.
Right?
There you go.
Check the live. That you are check the live.
Hold on.
Check if the live hot.
Send me the answer, man. Send me the answer.
You got Banti number, you can send Banti the number. Paki got the name, so we good.
Paki got the name, Paki?
Yeah, he got the name.
Yeah, Paki got the name.
Yeah. Young SC, remember, and that the first race where he got on.
Young SMC.
So you want to know who won the race last year?
Was it the Young SMC?
Right? Give it a name and you win yourself a Nadir cultural cap and a Mother's Day Cycling Classic t-shirt.
Yes.
Just like that. So all what you need to buy it are the pants and your hand. Also, man, Nadir, before we go and before we get this winner, how me ballet John Max, man.
Man, John Max. It was supposed to be a secret, but I'm gonna put it up there. John Max coming with me, so we'll be there.
Whoa, why, man?
I know if he's listening right now, he's gonna say that I blew it, but hey, that's my boy.
Yeah. Max. No can get trouble here, no Max. That's for the manners, you know, Max.
Yeah.
No can get trouble here. The last time you hurt me. You hurt me.
Problem. So with the giveaway, our shirt, our
cap.
All right, good.
Right. That courtesy of Nadir Cultural Shed. Cycling Classic.
Yes, sir.
Check the live. How it stand?
Live active, man.
The active. Give us the name of the female that won last year's race. Just like that.
You pick up your things to Sunday.
And let's make it known that Daifa is going to be live the day of the race too, so they can tune in to watch the race.
Yes, Daifa live?
Daifa live all the time, from the start to the finish.
Daifa live, Daifa Sunday we live. Everything Daifa we're going to Mr. Laurie to live, so right? So everything was live Sunday. No what none we were lively up yourself.
No rest.
No rest of the wicked.
No
rest
germs.
wicked.
Right. One of the youngest MC, right? Why not?
The youngest MC man commentate and I hear core movements are out the big songs and out the Sunday. Big songs are out the Sunday boy.
I want to even commentate that word, man. Why not?
Alright, we'll check the live. But remember now, the first person who give us that name, we want ourselves a cap and a t-shirt courtesy of Nadia Cultural Shed.
Oh.
And we want to ask the whole community, the town, the surrounding village to come out this Sunday at Nadia Shed, go witness the 4th annual Mother's Day Cycling Classic. Always big. And this year, you only get bigger.
All right, make we stick a pin there also. We know that Saturday the Dream Ballers
They
play Western Ballers. So we want the whole community come out Saturday. They come ride up the thing there because Dream Ballers they say they got a special halftime giveaway.
Right.
We're going on. It look like big cash money giveaway.
Huh?
You know. We don't rank when no come past it.
So in a few, you know, if you're going to find out word, and then we'll try wrap up this segment, we'll check the live for whosoever give the answer.
Yeah.
And then our screenshot
No.
it. And yeah, that's our easy, you know. But I forget it.
Yeah.
Easy, but I forget it.
Yeah.
And
Man, final words, man.
Young rider.
Yeah. She was a young rider who won. I remember, man. Like yesterday. So any final word,
sure?
brother?
Well, final up to Paki.
Yeah, Paki, big up yourself. The biggest MC.
Yeah.
Paki, and they watch the world.
Yeah. And
Yeah, my
so
brother.
yeah, thanks again, guys, to give Nadia Cultural Shed the opportunity, to bring something to the community. Because again, so many things have been done before, but nobody get to see it and watch it until DIFA come around.
Yeah.
Without DIFA, man, a lot of us was gonna be behind.
Bye, Nadia. Nadia,
Yes.
somebody Dion Serrano say Kaya Katus.
Bingo, that's the winner.
But Dion nera elie, man. Dion, who you get that to?
Now who you get that thing that Dion ka where are they?
You can pick it up the Elia too.
You pick it up Nadia too? Alright, so you can pick it up Nadia, why? Watch out.
Pick it up Nadia, boy.
Why? Why? The way you want it, the way you want it, you want it out or you want it a foreign? The way you want it. Alright, good.
If you want it at China, we are getting it there too.
China, we are mail it there. Anyway,
The way you want it.
the way you want it.
The only place where you know what get it, we know what said not Iran.
Not the Middle East. Boy. Oh, my brother. Good night. I know you got a lot of things to do.
Alright, so
Yes.
Dion say what give it to his sister Giselle.
Oh, Giselle Serrano.
Yeah.
I know that woman.
Alright, so alright, good
Not the
then.
teacher.
Alright, good then. So sit there.
Everything said.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing you guys, man.
Bye Nadia, it's a pleasure to hear you, man. And you are there this weekend?
Ilico?
Yes, man.
Alright then, well,
Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Barbecue,
Yes,
barbecue
man.
every night.
Bless up to
All right,
bless
my
up to
brother.
South Coast.
No, my brother.
No
Pure love.
germs.
No germs, man. No germs.
All right.
Alright, so no.
That was Nadia,
That was,
my brother.
yeah.
You know, from out of LA. Right.
Bye.
Bye.
Plug
What do you
in.
mean?
Bye. Jalu, plug in. Come in,
Bye.
come
Listen. We are talk about them, but
Yeah.
me not like how them walk off. Right? Me not like man with
Bye.
shot.
That don't pass.
Me don't want to hear that.
That don't
Bye.
pass. That don't
Bye.
pass. That don't pass.
Bye.
That don't pass.
Bye. Every time when you go to war, you go run, or you go to war and
So
forget
yeah, where they
bullet.
go on now?
One man they bring
We win last week. We win last week. I treat I pass, you know.
I'm afraid.
I treat
Bye. Me
I
not
pass.
champion and me not conqueror. Right now, no win nothing. I win me. I just win.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, wait, man. We don't talk about
We
conquerors.
just win.
We don't talk about conquerors.
We don't
early
talk
in the
about
segment.
conquerors.
We don't talk about conquerors.
By
early
me,
in the
our
segment.
champion. I just win Thursday,
Why?
gone.
This year,
No talk to me if you don't know champion.
Why?
We are champion too.
Right.
So we need to mix up.
Yeah,
Me
man.
don't
Yeah,
don't
man.
say right. Me don't say nothing about mix
We
up.
don't talk
mix
about
up.
conquerors already earlier. We talk about dream ballers.
Conquerors, congratulations.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Jalula said that. I respect the impact, hard work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, respect for all the good work on the better. Right? Respect the conquerors.
Stay to the
But
team
now my
after
chapter
this.
now about dream ballers.
Right, me not the base
Right?
for them.
Actually, I don't care what you, but listen to me, I'm going to talk. Can you do that?
That's my job. That's my job. Go there.
The whole show. If you want to talk about conquerors, I tell you to invite conquerors management and conquerors ballers. Make them come on the show.
No, we're going to do that way there.
Right?
The show going way
They have
for
to
the
pay for
block.
that. They have to pay for that.
The show going for the block.
They have to pay for that. They have to pay for
The
that.
show going for the block.
They have to pay for that.
That me one of the day.
Oh.
That night.
All right, actually, I'll give you trouble. All right. Respect, Riga, and to the world. Dream ballers. I want whole Nigeria come on to support dream ballers. Actually, don't hate me. Listen to me, man.
They can't beat
I
Cairo.
come on fire. Listen to me. No.
If they beat Cairo, I'll ride it.
You know Western ballers then.
No, I don't know
Western
Western
ballers then.
Ballers. I don't know
Alright,
Western
listen to me.
Ballers.
All right, yo.
We are
Riga,
dream ballers, you know.
Riga, no
Oh.
problem. Listen to me. That me a
Stop
band.
dream, you know. Stop dream.
Dream ballers.
Why? Now who says so?
San Pedro Tiger Sharks,
Why?
man.
Why?
You got some Pedro.
Yes.
Hey, hold up. Right now, that dream ballers time right now.
Yeah, man, a serious thing, man. A serious thing, man. Yo. You might get vexed now, you know.
Let's go, Dream Ballers. We
You
can
can't
do
talk
this.
about no San Pedro Tiger Sharks right now.
Let's
you know.
go, Dream Ballers. We can do
Listen
this.
to me. Dream ballers.
You are Western ballers or you are dream ballers?
Yo,
I don't dream.
listen to me, man. Just give me my time. I can talk
All
to
right,
me.
good.
I need to know ism and schism.
I mean a dream ballers.
All right. Listen to me.
You are what?
All right. Who that?
You.
Actually,
You are what?
yo,
You
Yeah.
dream ballers
where
stuff.
me come from?
Good. We got
Where me come from?
dream ballers.
You
Where
know
me
that?
come from?
We got dream
You know
ballers.
Ghana no game yet.
Who that?
Who?
You? Which
Yo.
game you got?
Yo, last weekend, when we step up,
Right.
3.5.
No game.
Big.
Man, I walk off for the
I
court.
say you are the way you attack black man.
When I
Not
want
talk
to talk, you want to talk.
about that
Right.
game.
You say you the
Well,
court
shut
talk
up,
about
brother.
Dream Ballers and I don't hear nothing about Dream Ballers yet.
But can you the distract and interrupt me,
Why
brother?
only the worry about me?
Yo,
Why we not come
See
off
you.
at the boy, you not come off me
this
alone.
is a victory for me, boy. Trust me.
Saturday.
I don't ism and schism.
We got a show. We going
Right.
No, hold on.
No. Oh, no, I never win, Kyle.
Step aside.
Step aside.
Yo, Biggs. Put it for me, Biggs.
Kyle, I beat you, you know?
Remember, this is a South Coast right now.
Go
Yeah.
germs, you know.
So, when you feel, you do what you want. There's a South Coast right
Yeah.
now. There's a South Coast right
I will a dream ballers.
now.
And right now, if you don't dream ballers right now, you are Konomono.
No, we never go through all that.
No, you are Konomono if you are
No.
dream ballers right now.
He's a South Coast right. And he expressed his feeling of himself. So if you know what real dream ballers, I dream you vex with you.
Yeah, just
Well, listen to me, Nangriga. Come out, you know. Because come out by what just come out, the whole time come out and make we win. Because once dream ballers win against Kyle,
with the inner the
with the
player.
in action,
With the inner the action. We inner the action.
yeah, we in action.
And we don't beat up Coroza.
Bantan, wait, Bantan, we're in action.
In action, man.
In action.
In action, we better win out action.
Once the coach start with the same starting 5, that's trouble.
Now
Yeah,
trouble.
that's trouble. Start with the same starting 5, that's trouble.
And we want make Western Ballers know. And we want make Tiger Sharks know. Here comes trouble. Here comes danger.
On the real side, trust me. Yo, this Saturday, Riga, come out. Riga, come out. Luna said that, come out. Yo.
Make we dust off Western Ballers.
Alright,
Huh?
alright.
Dust there off.
Just,
brother,
yo,
man.
you be trouble.
Huh? What mean?
Because me, referee there, I was in there, you know. I don't feel like when I they eject me because when they blow ass and then vex me for correct, you know. Me when in the stadium Saturday, Jaluna, last year coach Daly, you know. I was in there.
They know.
I was the court side, South Coast, right? I tell you no lie.
Why?
just blow the game right and make the game be a
Play,
good
make the
game.
game
Who
play.
win, make them win. You know what I know? Ism and schism. Because that's the way I face every last year. Much I face that. When they give players forward and foul.
Yeah. But here where they going? Saturday, we have to come out with everything. We have to bring out the
Griga,
drums.
come out.
We have to bring out the drums
We
Saturday.
will win. Griga, come out. Me tell you, Griga,
Yeah, man.
come out.
We are take over.
Because once you get a crowd in the stadium there and I jump the play,
Energy.
that's trouble.
Energy, man. Energy.
Once the crowd come out and I jump the play, that's trouble.
Oh.
Just come out and support the team.
After me boy, I bring Saturday.
We support yourself and make us stop fight against yourself. You understand? Make us support yourself. You agree, Griga? Come out and support.
Yeah.
No follow where you want to say, oh, this, that. Yo, come on.
The kids say no call no name. The kids say no call no name. My boy, I put out power. That's for we friend there alone go be there, no play with. Why?
Yo, boss B, this will be a big win for you.
Yes, I.
All the ism and schism, the criticism and hell will go to bedroom. Boss P, this is a few brother.
Yeah.
We are winning Saturday.
Yes, I. We're there on Saturday.
We are winning Saturday. All you fire me.
Yeah.
Yo, boss B, you fire me, but say I still love you. And I love you and respect you, bedroom. I salute. You understand? Because you know why? In this world, we have a respect and love people. Because sometimes people do it wrong and we hate them forever. Me. Love in my heart.
Yeah, no germs.
No germs.
No germs.
Ati.
guys.
No, Ati.
I know the
No,
argument.
what can we look Ati?
I know what
No, wait,
going on.
Ati. Wait, Ati, what can we look? What you got to say?
Well, make I tell you. For the last time, when I can go see the boy play, that me. I never me happy with the performance. Then I don't follow no game for them. The lone sad news I get. So, like how Uno they say when I beat
Western Ballers.
no make I say Uno we.
No, Uno.
Alright, Uno.
You don't know we. I don't know which team you're with, but you don't know we.
I agree, I live here, I agree.
So, which team? Which other team? Like Dream Ballers, we play Agriga. Which other team?
Space Lion Bulls, Isanego.
That 96, that 90s. You want to get follow man.
But honestly, right? But honestly, I think the team who the tongue were lot. If they don't win, I feel just like how I feel right now.
Yeah, where they going? Not the come gozo we.
I know the
gozo we. They come gozo we.
You understand, man?
You understand?
The man tell how the man expect more of the team.
Exactly.
Yes,
The team,
yes,
the
They play
team
good
are
right now,
black
man.
and white.
They play good right now.
They look good.
When Conquerors
So
may
now-
lose, when Conquerors may lose, when
So
Conquerors
now-
may lose, when Conquerors may lose, you make it in your feeling.
Yes, I lose, I take my league.
All right.
So, but
now-
this
so
team,
now-
for black and white, look pretty.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
I never expect. Uno happy for if Uno have to win this Saturday, Uno the in. But Uno if it don't.
We will win Saturday, boy. We are win.
Once you win
So
Saturday,
I tell you,
If we are winning Saturday,
listen, Uno they
we are
say
winning
that.
Saturday.
But the way how the team look for paper, we never make for the in at this predicament here for win a game for reach player. Uno if you comfortable
Exactly,
with the
exactly.
players there,
real,
for
exactly.
they are top. That's my point, you know.
Well. Now
So
that.
make them prove to me when at the game this weekend that Uno could do it.
No, we are there.
Well, mean.
We were there.
Dream Ballers are win Saturday.
I'm
Dream Ballers
gonna
are win
prove,
Saturday.
like I said,
You are there.
the man where they invest in this team boss, I don't leave it the money. To
Yeah,
make one of
yeah.
them come out there and they lose and I don't leave it the money this man invest. So me know the one the pengerang pa phone pangarang.
No,
Right?
no.
Me know the pengerang
because-
pa phone
because I say
pangarang. I
you're
don't say
right,
tell you.
Why we just say Pangarang and not Bengerang?
I know the
Well,
pengerang
here
pa
where they go now.
phone
Here
pangarang.
where they go now. I think it's not like one real Dream Ballers here time.
You see? I have a dream. When I don't say where I feel.
I think the man don't know really what dream ball here tell you. He just yet was a couple players by the team that make him feel away.
Know that that how the performer I want to win. Make by if they
Everybody want the team win.
listen.
Everybody want the team win,
You
brother.
know it had. Listen, we know the team the choir, but no team beat Western Ballers. Who know?
Who's that?
Except
San
for
Pedro
who?
beat San
San
Pedro.
Pedro.
Yeah,
All right,
San
San Pedro, but
beat that home.
you see that now
Why
why?
right now, no
They got
mention
the
no San
they
Pedro
got
by
the
this
advantage. They
podcast.
got
No
the
mention no
advantage.
San boy. No
They
mention
got
that
the
thing.
advantage more.
That
So
team.
make we take
No
the
mention that
advantage
team.
more
Why
too.
we the home boy?
No
Take
mention that
advantage.
team.
Right. Listen
Alright.
to me. This Saturday I be trouble.
Why?
Griga. All beg no come out and support the
Why?
team, man.
Remember the
Yes.
last game, the
We will
first
come out
game
and
I
support the
got,
team. This is a do or die
only game I
situation,
got was
actually.
my first game.
This is a do or die situation for Griga,
Why?
brother.
Hey, Pakistan might get a crew.
Why?
Some tickets.
Make I tell you
No, we got
something.
tickets.
Make I tell you something. We don't have free ticket. Boss man
Boss
say we
P
got
have
free
to
ticket.
give it tickets.
Yeah, where they going?
We got
But I
tickets.
tell you, Western Balance,
We got tickets. You got two, we got tickets.
Western dancers,
Huh? Ballers.
the dancers,
Uh-huh.
they
got
were-
the dancers?
Western dancers, their name. They were take the licking Saturday.
All right. We got
And the next team from out there, and you might mention the name for Island team.
Uh-huh.
We not in there when they come around.
Panades, we have
Panades, we have out of there. Huh?
out of the yeah. But guys, on a serious note, we got this month at the 23rd NTC National Convention that take place in Cayo district. We have all the Garifuna people over there under one umbrella, one roof for 3 days.
Yeah.
So we want to ask the people there on the west, the Saturday night, we have a mega concert. All right, flyers are dropped soon, but we just want okay.
Yeah,
The
and
flyers
then
don't drop, so we have a mega concert at Victor Galvez Stadium inside Cayo with National NDC May 23rd.
yeah.
And also we have the consultation with the land issue. One that take place the 29th in Hopkins, and one that take place the 16th this month next weekend in CNBite. Yeah, we are the day. I don't know where one to call strong free people land. Why? I don't want tonight. I never stress on it because that they have that show there for that. And everybody did a marvelous job. I mean, Paki and the whole crew, them all in a night camera, the light them a little live last night. I was wondering that where they going, but they did a marvelous job. So I don't want to take this night to double up on that.
Yeah.
Then we don't do it last night, so we not double up on that.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the consultation, we were there
We are there.
Live.
and alive.
We were there.
And
So-
just specific happen on that though, before we get off a set, we artist Big the CEO have a new album out, a new recording, right? Man, they move funny.
How much drops?
So right, that tune there, that on the seven
Seven top when we come first.
the 7 EP, right? So this the third video track, right? Third video track, right? So
Right.
man, they move funny. Check it out. It's up on YouTube. It's out already. Let's support the thing, right? Share it. Subscribe to the man page, and let's get this thing going. Cause a fire, man, they move funny. Pay the money. Yo, can't be South Coast. No germs.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Final the final chat, man.
Right, we want.
Actually, like I always say, there's some of the things, right? We were support free people to the fullest.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
are
we have to
supporting
support. We have
them,
to support. We have to
We are
support.
there. We went there live.
Because we have a land to live life that, you know what? Unity and strength, man.
Yeah, unity has strength for sure.
Strength and power. Unity and strength and power. We need to stand wrongs.
Yeah.
We are
I
there.
mean,
Too much
every
Too much corruption in the
yeah, a
country, man.
lot of
Too much
corruption they go
Lot of
on,
land fraud, they go on, man.
and we know and we see that every other culture they stand up for themselves.
Exactly.
So now time for make Garifuna people stand up for each other, man. Now time, you know what I'm saying? And make we stand up for Hopkins, make we stand up for CMBite, and make we stand up for any other community where then they try to take for granted out here.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Because it just can't be there are just a few they deal with all of this corruption, they eat all of this food and they take advantage of this country, man.
All right.
You know, it's sad and it's wrong.
But on a serious note, we are blaze what we got for blaze that time. right? We are the day the 16th, we are the day the 29th for the next Saturday will be in St. Mite. So all my people in St. Mite,
With the corner, see him right now.
St. Mite,
Zimbabwe with the corner,
come
they
out
a
and
consultation,
defend
so
on
no
the
better come
ground.
out.
Defend on the land,
Because they don't
defend on
take
the
lot,
ground.
they don't take a lot
All
already.
right? That's the all we are saying. So, yo, South Coast Podcast round. I want to make everybody know, live it up with a lot of love. See you next week, same time, same place. If God give it the health and strength.
No
No
germs.
germs.
See you on Saturday.
Out. Peace.
Oh.